high up.
Uh-oh, somebody's coming over.
You don't know nothing.
Hi. Have you guys seen it? The eagles?
No, we have before. There's nothing up there today.
Oh yeah, we were here earlier, and they were flying way high, and then 2 juveniles came and they were hanging out. So I was just wondering.
Yeah.
I thought you were in the same car that came behind us before, so I was like, if they're still here, there must be something.
No, we went all the way to Hamburg, all the way up there and all the way back. We've seen 57.
Wow, we saw 34 on our first tour. This is the second tour, and it's only been like 15. But just now we saw a drone. So then I thought, well, maybe it was you guys doing the drone. It was small, but it went this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, well, have fun.
Yeah, you guys
You saw 57 so far?
Yeah.
Wow. Have fun.
Thanks. Where the hell is it?
Way over there.
Like, drive over there and get it.
It's all on the back side of the fucking.
Flying.
Uh huh.
Just drive over there and get it.